Kate Morton dans L'Enfant du Lac, et comme dans de nombreux romans, parce que c'est pas la première fois que je vous lis, pour moi c'est mon troisième, et à chaque fois dans vos romans, c'est très riche, les personnages sont très fouillés psychologiquement, c'est un vrai plaisir de lecture, il y a une qualité d'écriture. Et je le pense vraiment. Est-ce que, avant de vous embarquer dans un projet, il faut vraiment que vous ayez tout ça de réuni pour vous lancer?
Ah, yes, well, thank you so much. To hear that is exactly what I would hope to hear, so thank you. But yes, for me, all of these things must be in the story, because for me, when I'm writing, I want to live within the world of my book, and that means rich characters and truthful settings and a sense of place and a story and the structure, and all these things combine. And in fact, when I'm writing my draft, I know I've heard it said before that writers should write creatively and leave their critical brain switched off until the end, but I can't do that. For me, I write a scene and I print it and I read it, and it feels thin and flimsy, so I fix it and I rewrite it, and I do that about 8 times for every scene, so that it grows in texture and truthfulness and authenticity before I can move on, because I need, as a writer, for the world of the story to feel rich and truthful.
Et Kate Morton, je vais avoir une question un peu plus large, là on va sortir du roman de votre actualité, L'Enfant du Lac. Je voudrais savoir, au fil des romans que vous publiez, vous avez un lectorat, vous êtes traduite dans plusieurs pays. Quel rapport entretenez-vous avec vos lecteurs?
That's a very good question, because as you say, my readers come from all sorts of different places, and I'm often asked the question, what makes the readers different in each place? But for me, you sort of have to flip the question. It's what brings people together. And the thing that I hear most often from readers, no matter where it is I'm meeting them, is that they disappeared inside the world of the story, and they went somewhere else. And for me, that is the greatest thing to hear, because my love of writing came from a love of reading, which I developed as a child. And I think, you know, when you read as a child, and those of us who are book lovers know, you go somewhere, you live inside the world of the story. And for me, somewhere along the way as I grew up, I lost that feeling. I still loved books, but I didn't disappear. And so when I write now, for myself, but hopefully to convey to a reader, I try to conjure up that same sense, not of writing a childish book, but of conjuring up that childlike sensation of being immersed in the world of the book. So that is what I hope conveys to a reader, no matter where it is they're reading my book and in which language.
Kate Morton, un grand merci pour cet entretien. L'Enfant du Lac, c'est votre actualité chez nous en librairie aux éditions Presse de la Cité. Un grand merci.
Merci beaucoup à vous.